here is what you get for teriyaki today. Yellowtail fish. You can get salmon instead as well. Sugar, salt, pepper, mirin, soya sauce, sake. After you leave it for 5 minutes, remove the water from the fish with the tissue. Then if you have flour, today I use a rice flour. Gluten-free. Now we're gonna grill it. Here it is. I messed it up. Sesame on. Then grill the fish. When the fish turns nicely brown, then you turn it around, then grill 2 more minutes. So now the both sides are nicely brown, then you put sake in. Then in the same pan, you put 2 spoons of sake, 2 spoons of mirin, soya sauce, and 1 spoon of sugar. I use brown sugar. Dissolve sugar well. Tasty. Then put the fish back.